I will show you in this video how to add a language attribute to your Hostinger website. And what it means first is you're just basically telling the website what language your website is in. So this is going to help like search engines like Google and tools like screen readers to understand the language of your website. So here I'm going to click on Edit Website. Now from here we just have to wait a couple of seconds, and then from here we're gonna have to go to more settings, and then from here you're gonna see here that you have multiple languages. This is to add a language to your website, so people in different languages, people from different country, if you have like German, or they will be able to read instead of English and German. But to add a language attribute, click on here SEO settings, and here if you click on website overview, you can see here the target language is English. You can click on edit here, add a business or brand name if you want to, and then you can click on save, and then the language, of course, edit the language, add here a different language. Okay, so I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and take care.